You start early with reviewing schedules, team briefings, analyzing reports, and addressing urgent issues, followed by staff coordination, meetings, process improvement, and project management. The afternoon involves handling employee management, training, technology integration, cost analysis, vendor relations, and customer feedback, concluding with team briefings and extended work or continuous learning into the evening. Quite the workload for an operations manager. I'm Nathan from Scriptstone, and after talking to operation managers, it has become clear that the main issue as an operation manager is user management, compliance, user access control, onboarding and offboarding, user training, role management, user activity tracking, and scalability. I am currently signed in as Jacob, and he is the operation manager for House Hero. When you log in, you'll see all the data pertaining to your organization to make informed decisions. You got the tickets, you got the prospects, all the data you need here, and as you scroll down, you can see the user performance. So this is a great quick way to be able to, as a service operation manager, log in and see everything that's going on with your organization to make informed decisions. Now let's head to the user feature and dive a little bit deeper into what you have access to in Scriptstone. So as an operation manager, it is really important to know, what everyone's role is, what are they doing, how well they're. The user feature, what you can do is you can go in here and you can see everyone who's online, who's offline, and who's away. So you can see up here we got available, away, and unavailable. So you can see all their statuses. You can see all their information regarding their email, their account type, their social media, their paid time off, and what organization they're under. You can see when they were last active and the date they were joined. And this works also for guests, so if you have any type of clients or anybody that you work with in the portal, you also have access to their email and all their information as well to make it really easy to reach out to them. So this really helps with user activity tracking and scalability as you can continue to add more people within the system and help streamline, gathering contacts, checking on who's doing what, and gathering their information. So really quick too, this also ties into the contacts. So if you have external people that you want to reach out to, you have all them right under the users and organizations as well. And lastly, to check your performance on all your employees, you can go ahead and do that here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more and head over to our website for a free 7-day trial.